Greetings everyone, it is my pleasure to welcome you to HDPS1303, which focuses on Introduction to Children Development. I am thrilled to have the opportunity to meet you and interact with you this semester through this online platform. In this course, students will be introduced to important information about child development in early childhood education. It is important for students to gain knowledge about child development as it has a major impact on children's well-being and success in their later years. Through this course, students will gain a comprehensive understanding of the development theories in the field of early childhood education. We offer a variety of online resources such as Google Meet meetings, e-lessons, and e-forum sessions. Additionally, our course page includes uploaded and embedded materials for you to explore at your own pace. Please take the time to review these resources thoroughly. When we meet online, don't forget to bring any questions you may have. We are here to help you learn and succeed. Have a great day and we look forward to see you soon. Bye-bye.